Welcome back. Hopefully you guys enjoyed yesterday's version of Congruent or Not, so we're going to bring it back for one more day. Should be exciting. Hopefully you guys all remember how to play, and let's get it started. Okay, so let's look at this first example over here. We have side congruent to a side, we got this side congruent to this side, and we got this side congruent to this side. That seems pretty good, studio audience. Yeah, they say definitely. That is congruent by side, side, side. All three sides are congruent to all three sides of the other one. All right, let's look over at this one. So with this, we have this side congruent to this side, this angle congruent to this angle, and this side congruent to this side. So really important when you have a side angle and a side, you got to figure out what the order is. So if we look at this thing, the angle on the left one here is in the middle of the two congruent sides. So on the left triangle, that looks like side angle side. Now, on the right triangle, the angle's here, this side, but we don't have the other side that kind of like borders around this angle. We have an angle, a side, and a side. Or, to write it a little better, in case your parents are watching, side, side, angle. See, if you write it backwards, that's a real problem, huh? Also, it doesn't work mathematically, so that's a bigger problem. All right, so we got side angle, side over here. We got side, side, angle, side, side, angle. Studio audience, what do we do with side, side, angle? Throw it out! Yeah, that's right. This does not work. So, not enough here. This is a big no. These two triangles are not necessarily congruent. Okay, welcome back for the lightning round again. Remember, prizes are doubled in this round because they're doubled because it's slightly harder. It's harder because these are just words, and what we need are pictures. Oh, look, pictures. I guess prizes are back to normal because we have the easier version now. All right, let's go through it. So, the first one says 3 sides of triangle A are the same lengths as 3 sides of triangle B. Let's label that. So we have this, same as this. This is the same as this, and this is the same as this. Also, it says one angle in triangle A is the same size as one angle in triangle B. So I'll pick this angle to be the same as this angle. So, if we look at this, are these triangles congruent or not? Survey says congruent. And the reason they're congruent, actually, is we don't even need this information. This is unnecessary information to us because we have 3 sides and 3 sides. So right off the bat, no matter what, we already got side, side, side. And that's also the fact that it is side, 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 and it's already congruent. That's how you know that this angle has to be in the same position. It couldn't be, I guess, depending on lengths, it could be. But, like, this one has to go in between that, in between the 2 corresponding sides that are congruent. So, by side, 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 yay. And look, somebody's ringing the doorbell. They want to play too. All right, doorbell situation seems handled. You just got to roll with the punches here on Congruent or Not. It's tough work being a game show host. So let's look at the second question here. It says one side of triangle A is the same length as one side of triangle B. So let's label this side congruent to this side. Cool, cool. And then it says one angle in triangle A is the same size as one angle in triangle B. So let's label that on the diagram. You can pretty much pick anywhere. I'll pick that same angle we had before, down here, down here. All right, so if we're looking at this, what we have right now, we have a side and an angle. Side angle is not enough information. We just don't have enough. So, audience, play our loud buzzer for us. Are these congruent or not? No, they're not. I'm sorry, they're not. Side angle is just not enough information. We need more. We need a little bit extra there.